Mijn naam is Jelmer van RIB Aquasport en dit is een nieuwe Aquaspirit S700. The S700 is the latest model of Aquaspirit's aluminum RIBs. Aquaspirit is a brand that originated in building high-quality aluminum RIBs for the Ukrainian government and defense. With this knowledge and expertise, they've managed to expand the brand and now build a wide range of aluminum RIBs for both professional and recreational use. The concept behind this 7-meter RIB is a fully aluminum hull and D-shaped tubes, and that's truly unique. Thanks to these D-tubes, you get a massive amount of space inside this boat. Normally, you have tubes that are 60 centimeters in diameter, and now you have tubes that are 30 centimeters in diameter. This gives you an internal width of 2 meters. This makes this 7-meter RIB comparable to a traditional RIB of 9 or 10 meters. The tubes of this Aquaspirit are available in both PVC and Hypalon, and they are also zipped in a P-track, which basically means they are interchangeable. So with a few people you can replace the complete tube of this RIB within an hour. The hull consists of 4mm thick marine aluminium. This hull is actually double welded inside and out, and it's also reinforced from front to back, lengthwise and widthwise. So that makes the whole core incredibly rigid. And actually those reinforcements create bulkheads, and those bulkheads are filled with spray foam, which provides extra buoyancy. The hull of this aluminum RIB weighs 1150 kilos, and that's with the hardtop. And the load capacity of this RIB is 1300 kilos. The deep V-shape of the hull and the perfectly calculated hydrodynamics ensure that this Aquaspirit has perfect handling characteristics, not only on smooth water, but also on rough waves. The maximum engine power of this Aquaspirit S700 is 250 horsepower. Thanks to the massive space and high load capacity, this RIB is suitable for up to 11 people. Not only is the captain provided with plenty of luxury and comfort, but there's also plenty of room for the rest of the passengers, both front and back. This RIB also features a huge amount of storage space. This model is equipped with a hardtop, which not only looks tough, but also offers plenty of handholds to hold on to. The aerodynamics of the hardtop are calculated to preserve the boat's excellent handling characteristics. The captain enjoys a large windshield for optimal visibility and wind protection. Furthermore, there is a wide selection of additional options for this Aquaspirit S700. For instance, it can be configured with or without a hardtop. You can choose a fixed bench seat or a folding bench seat like this one. Or it can be equipped with a small galley, fridge or other options. Although I'm sitting quite comfortably here, it can also be fitted with a sun deck, both front and back. We've already sold this model, and at the customer's request, it has been equipped with Hypalon tubes, SeaDeck decking, a ski tow bar, Raymarine multimedia, a fusion audio system with 6 speakers and a subwoofer, LED lighting in the cockpit and storage compartments, underwater lighting and an LED bar. We've become incredibly enthusiastic about this new Aquaspirit S700, and if you are too, we warmly invite you to our showroom.